It was 2023 in Phoenix, Arizona, and I was at MaximoWorld. I was sitting in a session watching a presentation when I realized the speakers were from a major auto manufacturer. And they weren't just talking in vague terms. They were showing exactly how they managed planned maintenance in Maximo, step by step, real workflows, and their results. And they didn't just present and leave, they took questions. That night, I saw them at a networking event, smiling and meeting people. And there were Maximo users from utilities, airports, rail, manufacturing, all sharing what works with Maximo. And that's what makes MaximoWorld different. There are programmers, IT managers, project leads, software engineers, even CEOs, and everyone's approachable. Everyone's learning together. Every year I see people leave with something new, fresh ideas, renewed confidence, and tools they'll actually use. That's why MaximoWorld works. You come, you learn, and you leave better than you came.